Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment benefit in Germany. First, it's crucial to understand the two main types of benefits available. Arbeitslosengeld is for those who have previously worked and contributed to the unemployment insurance system. Bürgergeld, on the other hand, offers basic financial support for individuals and families who are unable to cover their living expenses. Knowing which applies to you is the first step. Once you know which benefit applies, your next step is to register as a job seeker. You must do this promptly at your local Agenter für Arbeit or Federal Employment Agency. You can often begin this process online, but you will also need to submit a formal application. Be sure to gather all necessary documents, including your identification, proof of your work history, and your bank account information, to ensure a smooth process. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're heading to work or just planning your week. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. After registering, you'll need to complete the application form accurately, providing all requested information about your employment history and personal circumstances. It's vital to attend all scheduled appointments with your assigned caseworker, as these meetings are a key part of the process. Remember, you are also expected to actively seek new employment and document your job search efforts, as this is a requirement for receiving benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.